Whether you're cruising some windy back roads or just crawling through the woods, proper lighting is a critical component for any vehicle. So don't risk your safety. Upgrade to a set of LEDs from Holley RetroBright. We have Sean's first gen Bronco here, and it's the perfect candidate for an LED upgrade. With RetroBright LED lights, you can double the lighting output without having to modify the factory headlight buckets. And the seal beam style housings with our classic white 3000K bulbs won't kill the vintage vibe of this Bronco. The installation couldn't be easier, and you can do both headlights in well under an hour. Start by removing any bezels or grill pieces that might be blocking access to the headlight brackets. Unscrew and remove the factory retaining ring from the old headlamp assembly, then pull the headlight from the headlight bucket. Disconnect the factory wiring harness from the back of the bulb and set the old light off to the side. Remove your new RetroBright headlight assembly from the box. Since we use a standard H4 connector, you can simply just plug it into the factory connector. There's no adapters, no splicing, or rewiring necessary. RetroBright offers headlights in multiple color choices, so whether you want that classic look or you prefer a more modern look, we've got you covered. We also offer yellow lens options for that European flair. Plug the new RetroBright unit into the factory connector and place it in the headlight bucket. Install the factory retaining ring, then secure it with the screws that you removed earlier. Finish by reinstalling any bezels or grill pieces that you may have had to remove to access the headlight assemblies. And that's all there is to it. Ask anyone and they'll tell you that good lighting is worth its weight in gold. So don't settle, trust RetroBright. To see our full lineup of LED lighting accessories and upgrades, visit us at holley.com.